Welcome to the AI for Career Success video overview by Curt Robbins, where we help you get smarter than your competition. Today, we're analyzing Amazon's launch of Alexa Plus, which is a very significant move in the world of generative AI. This overview is based on our analysis of insights from technology leaders and strategists who discussed Amazon's major product announcement on LinkedIn dating back to February 4th, 2026. We'll structure our analysis into 5 parts. First, we'll define the new AI, then look at how it evolves the user experience. We'll examine the new pricing model, the hardware challenges this creates, and finally, what this all signifies for the cost of innovation. So let's begin with the core of the announcement. What exactly is this new Alexa Plus? The most significant update is that Amazon has formally launched its generative AI assistant, which is branded as Alexa Plus, to all users in the United States. Now, this is a critical expansion beyond its proprietary Echo hardware, making the service accessible through both a website and mobile apps. This launch also introduces a core technological leap, a fundamental change in the way users will interact with the assistant. You see, the platform has evolved. It's moved from a simple command-based tool for single reactive tasks into a proactive conversational partner. This new Alexa Plus is designed to be context-aware, meaning it can maintain a dialogue and even engage in multi-step planning. So these new agentic capabilities have very practical applications. The assistant can now perform complex tasks, things like scheduling home services, creating written content, or orchestrating smart home routines that previously required multiple separate commands. Tech analyst Carlos Mii captures this shift quite succinctly. This ability to understand and execute a compound request in a single interaction, that is what distinguishes this new generation of AI assistants from their predecessors. This new capability also brings with it an entirely new business model and monetization strategy for Amazon's AI division. For the first time in the platform's history, Amazon is implementing a significant monetization strategy. It includes a free tier for basic functions, the inclusion of the full Alexa Plus service for Prime members, and then a standalone subscription for non-Prime users. And this $19.99 monthly fee for non-Prime members, well, that's a crucial data point. It signals a major strategic pivot for Amazon. They're moving to generate direct revenue from their AI services, rather than just using Alexa as a gateway to their e-commerce platform. It's a move we're seeing across the industry as companies seek to capitalize on their massive investments in generative AI. But rolling out a premium paid service like this isn't just about software. It also creates a significant hardware challenge, particularly for Amazon's early adopters. Many longtime users are now discovering their existing Echo devices are not compatible with the new service. This, of course, raises a critical question about the underlying technology. According to manufacturing and tech strategist Jonathan Alexander, the issue is really a matter of hardware capability. Older devices are equipped with weaker processors, they have limited memory, and they lack the specialized AI chips that are necessary for the real-time reasoning required by modern large language models. They simply cannot meet the performance and latency demands. This creates a clear hardware divide. First-generation devices, including the original Echo, Dot, and early Echo Shows, will continue to function on the old system, but they are now effectively legacy hardware, incapable of receiving this and any future AI-driven updates. This entire situation serves as a valuable case study for professionals who manage technology investments, especially in an environment of such rapid exponential change. To navigate this, strategist Jonathan Alexander proposes a framework. First, invest heavily in the stable core systems that don't change often. Second, design for flexibility in the layers that do change fast, like AI models. And finally, you have to simply accept that you cannot predict the future with perfect accuracy. The key takeaway here is to reframe how we think about this kind of outdated technology. It shouldn't be seen as a failure, but rather as a predictable and necessary cost of progress in a rapidly innovating field. And this analysis leaves us with a provocative and, frankly, essential question that every business leader and IT professional must now contend with in their own strategic planning. Thank you for joining this overview. This is where we teach you AI and help you get smarter than your competition. We encourage you to subscribe to the AI for Career Success YouTube channel. And please do like, comment, and share to help us reach a wider audience of professionals.